the exercise that we are demonstrating today is the bird dog exercise. In order to do the bird dog, you basically start in a kneeling tabletop position with your shoulders directly above your hands and your hips directly above your knees. Make sure that your core is engaged and you have a neutral spine. You then start by lifting one leg and the contralateral arm until it's parallel with the ground. And you hold this for a few seconds, lower, and then repeat on the other side. Some reminders when you are doing this exercise is just make sure that your spine is neutral the entire time. If that means that you can't get your hand or your arm and your leg up as high as parallel to the ground, that's okay. And make sure that your hips aren't twisting and they're also like parallel with the ground.
The most common mistakes made when doing the bird dog exercise is gross extension through the lumbar spine, causing your back to arch. So when you're in the extended position, like really exaggerating it causes your spine to arch. And then externally rotating your hips when in the extended position. Both of these mistakes negate the effects of the exercise and the purpose of why you're doing it, and they can cause further damage like to the lower back and your joints.
And there are many muscles that activate during the exercise. The main ones are the erector spinae muscle, which runs down your whole back, as well as your lower back latissimus dorsi muscle. The joints that are targeted are the acetotabulofemoral and glenohumeral joint. And then other muscles that fire as well. There's actually a wide range of muscles that fire during this exercise. Are going to be the gluteus maximus, deltoids, trapezius, and the hamstrings. The hamstrings specifically are stabilizers during this exercise and are very important to keep good form.
So why do this exercise? It's a full body exercise that activates all the muscles previously mentioned, and it's a multi-joint exercise that uses the entire body. It helps maintain balance and core strength, which helps in maintaining balance, and it's been shown to help reduce lower back pain.
Thank you for listening.